Hello friends, hope you all doing well. So today in this video we'll discuss about the male reproductive system, their different components, and their functions. With the help of this diagram which I will draw here.
Yes.
So now let's talk about the different primary and secondary sex organs of the male and their functions. Okay, let's start with the um, primary sex organs of male. The primary sex organ of male is testes. Okay, you can see here this testes, this is the testes. And in male they have a pair of testes, and the main function of the testes is to formation of sperm or male gamete. Okay, this is the testes. We have two testes in our body. So the testes here is here you can see the testes, and this is hanging outside of our body. And the structure, pouch like structure, you can see this is the pouch like structure, and this is this name is scrotum. Okay, scrotum, scrotum. This is scrotum. So why the testes is outside of our body? Because testes need a low temperature than our body temperature. It's about 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature of body temperature. So this is the scrotum. And now let's talk about the secondary sex organ of male. That is, you can see here the testes, and you can see here the duct, which is called epididymis. Okay, here you can duct, this is called epididymis. This is epididymis. And the functions of epididymis is to it's connect with the testes, and the functions of epididymis is to its storage of temporarily is store the sperm. Okay, that is the functions of the epididymis. Okay, after epididymis, there you can see here the duct, air duct. This is the duct. This name of the name of the duct is vas deferens. Okay, this is vas deferens. So functions of vas deferens is to transport the male gametes, which is, you know, that is sperm. Okay, so we have discussed about the functions of vas deferens. Now you can see here a gland, This is the gland. The name of the gland is seminal vesicle. Okay, this is seminal vesicle, which is connect with the vas deferens. So what is the functions of the seminal vesicle? The functions of seminal vesicle is secretes a liquid which act like a medium for the transport of sperm or the male gamete. Seminal vesicle is this seminal vesicle is connect with the vas deferens with a duct. Okay, it's come to the seminal vesicle, and from seminal vesicle you can see here a duct which is called ejaculatory duct. So the ejaculatory duct, you can see here the ejaculatory duct is connect with the ejaculatory duct is connect with the urethra. Ejaculatory duct is connect with the urethra. This is the urethra, which is coming this is the urethra. So urethra is coming from the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Okay, this is the urinary bladder. So the functions of the urethra, you can guess the functions of the urethra is it has two functions. Number one, it may work as a urinal passage. Okay, urine came from this passage, urethra, and also as a passage for the male gametes or sperm. So this duct is also called as urinogenital duct. So this duct is also called as urinogenital duct. So why it is called as urinogenital duct? Cause its work as a passage for the urine, and also as a passage for the male gamete sperm. Okay, so for this is known as urinogenital duct. There is also two glands which are present in the male reproductive system. There, number one is this is the prostate gland, and this is the Cowper's glands. Cowper's gland. Okay, so there has three accessory glands which are present in the accessory glands. There are three accessory glands which are present in the male reproductive system. They are number one, seminal vesicle. So you can see here the seminal vesicle. This is the seminal vesicle. Here this is the seminal vesicle. Now the prostate gland. This is the prostate gland. Here you can see here this is the prostate gland and the Cowper's glands. This is the Cowper's glands. Prostate gland, Cowper's gland, and the seminal vesicle. So these three are the seminal vesicle, number two prostate gland, and number 3 is Cowper's gland. So these three are the accessory glands of the male reproductive system. So let's talk about the functions of the accessory glands. Let's talk about the accessory glands of the functions of these accessory glands: the seminal vesicle, the prostate gland, and the Cowper's glands. So we have already discussed about the functions of the seminal vesicle. Functions of the seminal vesicle is to it secretes a liquid which act as a medium for the transport of the liquid. Okay, so number 2 is prostate gland. The function of prostate gland, it's a fast so functions of the prostate glands, it's a fluid. It also secretes a fluid which uh, which is which acts on the motility of the sperm. It's also alkaline fluid which is alkaline. And the next is Cowper's glands. So Cowper's glands also secretes a liquid which is alkaline. So the functions of the Cowper's glands is which liquid that is secretes which act as a lubrication for the lubrication of the fluid. And the second function of the Cowper's glands is to the liquid of the Cowper's gland is counteract on the bad effect of the urine on sperm, cause it's a alkaline, so it's act on the acidity of the sperm, acidity of the urine. Okay, so that were the functions of the accessory glands. So here the urethra is under the penis. So this is the penis, this is the penis, this is the penis. So let's have a summary for the all male reproductive system. So the primary and secondary sex organs of the male reproductive system, their number 1 primary sex primary, that is testes, and the function of testes is to make the sperm. So the let's talk about the secondary sex organs, that is which is this is epididymis, which is connects with the testes. It's act as a uh, storage, temporarily is store the sperm. Okay, that is the epididymis. Then the duct which is called vas deferens is it's act as a um, medium for the transport of sperm. Then the seminal vesicle, it secretes the liquid which act as a medium for the for the sperm. Then it's go to the ejaculatory duct. And then the prostate gland, this is the prostate gland. Then the prostate gland, this is the prostate gland. And the functions of the prostate gland, it's a fluid. Prostate gland secretes a fluid which act on the motility of the sperm. Then the Cowper's glands, which uh, also secretes a liquid which is act as a lubricatory liquid. And the second function is counteract on the bad effect of the urine on the sperm. Then it's go to the urethra, this is the urethra. And it's also called as the urinogenital duct, cause in this urethra urine and also the urine from the urinary bladder and the sperm from the testes came from the one duct which is called urethra. In the upper you can see here this penis, this is penis, here this is penis. Okay, so these are the male reproductive system, different organs of the male reproductive system. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like the channel, sorry, subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.